If you use your car for work, medical visits, or even volunteering, you might be leaving money on the table. Claiming mileage on your taxes is one of the easiest ways to lower your tax bill. And the good news is, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Let's break it down quickly. First, what actually qualifies? You can deduct miles driven for business, like visiting clients or making deliveries. You can also claim medical trips, like driving to appointments or the pharmacy. If you volunteer, charitable mileage counts too. And for military members, some moving-related miles may also qualify. Just remember, your daily commute usually doesn't count. Now, how do you calculate your deduction? You've got two main options. The first is the standard mileage rate. This is the simple one. You just multiply your miles by the IRS rate. For example, if you drove 1,500 business miles and the rate is 72.5 cents per mile, you'd get over $1,000 in deductions. Easy. The second option is the actual expenses method. Here you track everything: gas, repairs, insurance, and more. Then you calculate what percentage of your driving was for business and deduct that portion. It can give you a bigger deduction, but it also takes more effort. So which one should you choose? If you want something simple, go with the standard rate. If your car expenses are high, the actual method might save you more. Either way, accurate records are key. Without a proper mileage log, you risk missing deductions or running into trouble during an audit. Finally, when it's time to file, you'll report your mileage on forms like Schedule C if you're self-employed, and if you're using tax software, it usually walks you through everything step by step. One last tip: tracking all this manually can be a hassle. That's where tools like MileageWise come in. They automatically log your trips, help you stay IRS-compliant, and make sure you don't miss out on valuable deductions. So if you want to save time and maximize your mileage deduction, it's definitely worth checking out.